Hi everyone, April was a big month for Fergus and we've got 2 updates that are going to change how you quote and invoice, so let's get into it. First up, quote options. If you've ever had a customer ask, is there a cheaper option, or what do I get if I spend a little bit more? You know the pain. You go back, rebuild the quote, send another email, wait for a response. It's slow, it's messy, and honestly, it's a bit embarrassing when you're trying to look professional. Now in Fergus, you can offer good, better, and best packages, all inside a single quote. You can also add optional add-ons that your customer can choose to include or leave out. So instead of going back and forth, your customer gets one clean quote and everything laid out. They pick what suits them, you get the job moving faster. It's a proper good, better, best setup. The kind of thing that used to take 3 separate quotes and a bunch of follow-up emails. Now it's all in one place. The second one is big for anyone working in the field. You can now create invoices directly from a quote in Fergus Go without ever touching a desktop. So let's say you finished a job and you want to invoice a deposit or a milestone. You open the quote in Fergus Go, hit invoice, and choose what percentage you want to bill. Or if the job's done and there are remaining uninvoiced costs, you can invoice those off too, right there from your phone. No more waiting until you're back at the office, no more I'll sort it out later. You can close out the job on the way back to the van. A couple of other things I wanted to mention. Pricebook imports are now dramatically faster. We're talking down from an average of 15 minutes to under a minute. If you've got a big pricebook, you'll notice this straight away. And you can also now mark a job as complete directly from the app once everything's invoiced, which ties the whole workflow together nicely on mobile. And that's April wrapped. Quote options and invoice from quote on mobile are the 2 big ones, both live now. Be sure to check out our full release notes in the Help Center. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team, and we'll see you in the next one.